Hi, my name is Mario Eugenio Hernandez Chavez, and I'm a student from UPIXA, which, as we all know, is a university from the National Polytechnic Institute, or as we know in Mexico, the Instituto Politécnico Nacional. Today I'm going to talk to you about the difference between the analog and the digital systems. Well, what can we say about an analog system? The web defines an analog system like an analog system or signal is a continuous signal for which the time-varying feature of the signal is a representation of some other time-varying quantity, analogous to another time-varying signal. It differs from a digital signal in terms of a small fluctuation in the signal which are meaningful. Analog is usually thought of in an electrical constant, however mechanical, pneumatical, hydraulic, and other systems may also convey analog signals. Well, or as we can explain it in other words, the analog signal or the analog system is the one that it doesn't go from a quantity to another which is very high from in a only move. Well, no, an analog system is the one that in which it uses continuous values. Yes, the analog system or the analog magnitudes, they use continuous values. We can see many of them playing a role in nature. This means that most of them can be measured quantitatively. For example, we can see the example of the temperature. Yes, the temperature. Well, the temperature, it doesn't go from 24 to 31 degrees in only a second. No, to go to the 31 degrees, it must pass through this 26, the 25, the 27, 28, and 29, and it also has to pass through all the variants of these quantities like 26.7, 28.9. This is the example of an analog system, and we can see many others like the growth of a person, the growth of a tree, that it's a reality that when we are born, we are, let's say, like our height is of 30 centimeters in average, something like that, and when we are like 18 years old, our height may be like of, I don't know, 1.7 meters, something like that. But we don't go from the 30 centimeters to the 1.7 meters from one day to another. No, we need to go through a process. Yes, it's almost the entire process of eating, of growing up, the pass of time, and with the pass of time and the years, then we keep growing until we reach our final height or our final growth. Then the other example, the tree is also the same. And then we can see the digital systems. Well, the digital system, the difference with the analog ones is that the digital systems are able to pass from one thing to another. For example, we can see the high definition TV. The high definition TV, it doesn't, when you turn off your TV, it doesn't go from the average definition of a TV, of an average TV, let's say it. It doesn't go growing up until it reaches the high definition TV. No, you turn it on and it immediately goes to the high definition TV. And this is the way that high definition TV goes on. And well, continuing with the example of the digital system, let's see what the web says about the digital system. Well, the digital system is a data technology that uses discrete or discontinuous values. By contrast, non-digital or analog system use a continuous range of values to represent information. Although digital representations are discrete, the information represented can be either discrete, such as numbers, letters, or icons, or continuous, such as sounds, images, and other measurements of continuous systems. Well, the word digital, it comes from the Latin digitus, or the word digit. This is mostly because the reason that the computers, we all know that they process the information with zeros and ones. That this is a digital system.